welcome or welcome back to my channel. If you're new, thank you so much for clicking on today's video, and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back. My name is Jacqueline, and on this channel I do budget related videos. If those sort of videos interest you, I do hope that you consider subscribing. Okay guys, so in today's video we're going to be doing my cash stuffing for my second paycheck in August. Yes, I am behind, but you know what, I'm here and I'm going to record this and I'm going to get it done. Okay, so let's just put this aside and see how much we are cash stuffing today. Here is my money. All right, let's just make sure that this is in frame. Okay, so let's just start with the higher denominations. How is everyone doing? Today is actually September 13th and I am bulk recording, so I'm really excited that I'm finally sitting down at my little desk and getting my videos done. Okay, so let's just start counting. So we have 51, 150, 200, 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, 40, 60, 82, 20, 40, 60, 83, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 101, 2, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 110, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 210, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. 5, 10, 15, 25, 35, 45, 55, 65, 75, 85, 95, 105, 10, 15, 25, 30, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 31, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 41, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 51, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I'm cash stuffing $955. So I'm going to go ahead and set this up, and we're going to start with my revolving cash. We're gonna start off with this binder right here. I did already open up my sparkling water. This is star fruit. This is star fruit from Trader Joe's. This tastes so delicious and it's so refreshing. So I'm gonna go ahead and take a sip before I start cash stuffing my envelopes. Okay, so we're gonna start off with eating out. Eating out is going to get 50. So that's 20, 30, 45, 6, 7, 8, 9, 50. Spending is going to get 80. So we have 20, 40, 50, 65, 75, 76, 7, 8, 9, 80. Compra, which is groceries, for those that might be new. I'm going to cash stuff this with 185. So we have 51, 20, 40, 50, 60, 75, 80, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And normally I have some money rolled over, but my last weekly unstuffing, which I did not record, I went over budget. So I had nothing left over for compra or gas. Normally gas, I have something rolled over, but I had nothing. So gas is gonna get 125. Let's just make sure that this is 125. 20, 40, 60, 70, 80, 90, 105, 10, 15, 20, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Gas right now where I live is, I think, I saw $3.49, I saw $3.32, something like that. Okay, so household, I'm actually not cash stuffing household. This is an August paycheck, so what I was gonna do for the month of August was do a no sinking funds stuffing. So this was the first one that I'm going to be doing it with, and then I'll do it with the first paycheck and second paycheck in September. So household is going to get skipped today, but I'm not going to be skipping future rent. Future rent is going to get 65. For those that might be new, what my future rent is basically me saving for my future rent. You know, rental increases here in the state of Florida is insane, so I need to prepare, because the year before last I was not prepared, and it was devastating how much my rent increased, and I did not have the money for it from my income. So I just became smart and just started saving each paycheck, preparing for the next increase. I had a family member did help me during that time, which I was so grateful for. So that is what this stack of money is for my potential increase for next year. So this is going to get 65. So that's 50, 65. And I have prop money. This is money that's in the bank, sitting in my Ally account, which is a high yield interest savings account. It's collecting interest. So now I have 1,000, 500, 600, 700, 800, 900, and 20, 40, 60, 80, 90. Wait, hold on. I have all these 50s here, and this is throwing me off. Let's put this right. All right, this goes here and that goes there. Okay. Let's try this again. So I have 1,000, 500, 600, 700, 800, 900, 2,000, and 100, 200, 300, and 20, 40, 60, 80, 90, 400, and 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 75, 85, 95, 510, 5, 10, 15. So I have 2,515. Let's see if that is correct. Yep, that is correct. Cell phone is also getting cashed up today with 25. Cell phone now has 20, 40, 65, 70, 20, 40, 60, 65, 70, and 75. The only envelope getting cashed up in this binder is going to be Dustin. Dustin is my doggy. I will put a picture of him here. He got a haircut on Monday. He's so cute. It's still so hot here, so I had my mom tell the groomer to just cut it short again. So it's just hair, it grows back. So he's gonna get 105. So that's 50, 70, 90, $105. Okay, so let's do this here. Get my calculator, because his envelope has a few dividers in it. So we have 50, 70, 90, 110, 130, 150, 160, 70, 80, 90, 200, and 5, 10, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, and 21. So we have 221 plus 10, 12, 13. So he has 234. And that is correct. Okay, this is my high priority binder, and the only one getting stuffed today is travel. Travel is going to get 80. Uh-oh. I should have 4 of these. Let's just make sure that I have enough. So I need, oh, here it goes. It was hiding. Oh, geez, okay. Okay, let me move this 50 up. Okay, so 20, 40, 60, 80. Travel now has 100, 200, 300, 400, 20, 40, 60, 85, 20, 40, 60, 86, 20, 40, 60, 87, 20, 40, 55, 56, 57, 58, and 59. So that's 759. And now we are going to go to my yearly savings. let's just go ahead and see what we are doing today. Today we're going to be using, we're going to be cash stuffing the penny challenge. We're going to go to June, and June is going to get a 10. So June has 10, 20, and $30. Now we're going to go flip it over to the 52-week savings challenge. We're going to go over to April. April, I need to save 76, so I'm going to cash stuff this with 20. So that's 10, 20. I always tend to mess this up. Like, I have $40 putting it in July. So I'm just going to go ahead and do that. So I'm going to put 40. What? Oh, man. All right. I'm going to have to make change because this 50 is part of this right here. So 20. All right. Let me just make change for this 50 and I'll be right back. Okay, so now we're going to cash stuff this with 40. So we have 20, 40. Now this envelope or this section needs to have 140. Now it has 20, 40, 60, 75, 76, 7, 8, 9, 80. One step closer to 140. All right, and that is it for this binder. The remaining money here should be, I should have 60 plus 106 plus 29. So I should have 195. Ooh. Let's see if I have that. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 75, 85, 95, 100, and 5, 10, 50, and 10, 20, 30, 5, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Wait a second. Let me see. So I need to have 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And I don't. So I need to have 4, 8, 9, 10, 14 5s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Okay. I need to have 16 plus 9 plus 10. I need to have 35 ones.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Okay, so I'm actually short. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I'm actually 2, 4, 6 short $20. What? Oh, you know what? Cell phone wasn't supposed to get cash stuffed. Okay, that's where I messed up. So let me go back into here and grab my $25 out of here. Now let's make sure that this is 195. 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 5, 100, and 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 70, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 80, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 90, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And that is correct. So this is going to go towards my savings challenges. I am so excited. So $29 of this was extra income that I received from Temu and Rakuten. So $29 was from that. $60 is going to my New York savings challenge for my spending, and then $106 is going towards my other regular savings challenges. All right, you guys, so that is it. I'm going to put this inside of my, where's my savings binder? Oh, it's over here. Here it goes. So I'm I'm gonna put this money here. That way it will be safe and sound, ready to get cashed up. I want to thank you so much for making it this far. If you did, go ahead, leave me a purple heart emoji. You guys have an amazing morning, day, or night whenever you're watching this. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button on the way out. You guys take care, and I'll see you on my next one. Bye.